Okay, let's see what's going on with this get poll button because this is definitely something that we'll have to, that we'll have to edit um, and understand what this code is doing. If we want to be able to reset the poll at the server, we have to be able to modify that reset button to do a lot of work that this get poll button actually does, or at least some of it. I mean, there's going to be an important line here, and that is to be able to get a current poll from the repo. And what happens is you have to use the file name associated with the poll. I've added a few little lines when I was trying to understand this code for the first time. Things like this, if you say show get text here and maybe show key here, we can start to understand what's going on with these lines of code. This is supposed to get the text from the selected item. This is supposed to show us what essentially will be the file name of the poll that we want to be able to change. So if I now click on, I'll select this poll, I'll say get poll, and I see it showing up down here. This is the question and this is the file name that's going to show up in the repo. And I can certainly go ahead and vote for things here and continue to play with actually creating these votes for this poll and check out what goes on if I go and take a look at that repo. And that's kind of where you start to hopefully understand what's going on with what gets saved. And here, if I go get the listing of things that are in my subdirectory, go to the repo, go to my poll, let's open up this file here, I can see that there are some votes saved associated with this question, and that's how this is working. And what I basically want to do is I want to be able to write out to the file a version of this. When I hit reset, I want that to be 0 and that to be 0 as well.